Hola, Sutashidalek. Tene a ta sa de pa 하고 송아 가상에 목목 사파인 가상에 파스타 사파인 그봐 가상에 곰데라 드로파인 or 친파인 가상에 스타벅스라 친파인 or 드로파인 그봐 하고 송아 오케이 응 그봐 Tene de kiyu tatange chu tunkiyu kuduk 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 like this. Tatange chu tunkiyu, right? Tatange pöke jonkiyu like this. How goes on? We have this for present tense, all of this, right? Tene maongpa future tense, right? Sangin nge Starbucks la droki in. Sangin nge California la droki in. Sangin nge Momo saki in. Sangin nge Pöge janki in. Right? Okay? That's all. That's it. That's it. Then we learned question like 파상 계란기 가르쳐 봐인. Like this. How goes one? Yeah, let's try in the Yenhongla in the. Yenhongla dilorona.
가상 계란기 가르치 바인.
That's it. 가상 계란기 가르쳐 봐인. That's it. Can you make this question into present tense?
present tense. 대린 계란기 가르치 제기인. 제기회.
대린 계란기 말와 다다 말와 양결 송다.
다다 계란기 가르치기회.
That's it. 다다 계란기 가르치기. Can you make this into future tense?
쌍인 계란기 가르치기인.
That's it. 성인 계란기 가르치기인. That's it. 하고 송아 빼하고 송송. Very good. 투지체 연홍라. 야,
그지체.
때네 엔클렐라인다. 엔클렐라. 딜로로나.
So, to the Tashidere.
다시다.
Shall I read it? Kasang,
Uh-huh.
Kasang, Keranki, Karichi. No, I can't see the last bit. Karichi, Kiye.
말해. 제키 말해.
Karichi, sorry, I can't see very well. Karichipayin. Yeah.
That's it. 가상 계란기 가르치바인. If I ask you this, how would you answer? 가상 계란기 가르치바인.
Kasang ye chugugyapayin.
That's it. 가상에 축결갑바인. That's it. 배하고 송송. 가상에 축결갑바인. 배하고 송송. Very good. Now, you wanna try how to make this question into present tense. How would you ask it?
Tada nie pekijum kiye.
That's answer. Now question.
Kerang. Okay. Question. Tada. Kerangki kareche kiye.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. 네. 다다 기 가래 제기유. That's it. 빼하고 송송. Okay? Very good. Then would you like to try this for maungpa?
Sanging, keranki, karechi, kiyen.
That's
Karechi kiyen.
That's it. Sangin keranki karechekiyin. That's it here. Sangin keranki karechekiyin. That's it. If I ask you, Sangin keranki karechekiyin.
Nye sanging nye, sanging nye, galaksaki kiyen.
That's it. Sangin kalaksakiyin. Or you can be more specific. Sangin pizza sakiyin. That's it. Anything.
Anything.
Pujiche and Clela. Thank you very much. Lasso. 야, 되네. 니말라인다, 니말라.
와,
다 되라, 안돼도 와. 가상 계란기 가리 제빠인 레도 와. Now instead of J, you can use something else.
가상 기랑기 가래 록바인.
가상이 빼차 록바인. 가상이 빼차 록바인. That's it. 빼야 무슨 소. 라소. 되네 디.
따따 기랑기 가래제기요.
Instead of 가르치기 you 제, you can say something else.
따따 기랑기 가래 되기요.
가래?
타나로 토사 토.
가래 따기.
따따 기랑기 가래 되기요.
또 말해 따래 따. 다다 계란기 가래 따기요. 봐봐.
Listen here, listen. What are you listening now? 따따 기랑기 가래 되기요.
So to is not listen. Nyen is listen.
Nyen, okay. 따따 기랑기 가래 녀기요. 녀기요.
다다니 숭추 년기요. 숭추 teaching. 봐봐. 다당이 숭추년기요. or 다당이 시년기요. 뜬뜬뜬뜬 뿌꾸뿌꾸 like this.
가래년기요, 시년기요.
That's it.
상인 계란기 가래 동기요, 동기인.
That's it. 상인의 coffee 동기인 like this. 상인의 wine 동기인. 상인의 coffee 동기인. Anything. 하고 like this. 빼하고 도지체 니말라. Now we have noticed that we can, instead of J, you can use any verb. Sa, tung. Raba? Like this. Very good. Tuji Che. Teneya McGregor line da. McGregor la. If I ask you, Kasang Keranki Kare Tapayin.
Kasang nge Netflix ta payin.
That's it. Kasang Netflix tapayin. Paya kosmo. Tata keranki kare loki yu.
Tata nge temotse ki yu.
No, I said kare.
I'm confusing lock with lek work. Are you asking to read lock?
Yes. Tata keranki kare loki yu.
Tata nge um, pecha tata nge pecha lok kiyu.
That's it. Tatangi pecha loki, tatangi tep loki, anything. Hmm? Or you can say dung tep storybook like this for noun. Tatangi dung tep loki, like this. There. Hmm. Sangin kiranki karisokiin. Sangin kiranki karisokiin.
So is so to make.
Very. Now you can, maybe I'm referring to food. Let's say Sangin
Okay.
kiranki kalak karisokiin. Hmm?
Sangin nge mok mok so kiyin.
That's it. Sangin mokmok sokiin. Paya bosunso. Tujiche. Thank you, my brother. Yeah, tene tarala inda tarala try. Hmm?
Yeah.
Tarala,
Chidele.
Rashidele, can you try to read this? Let's try this.
Yeah. 가상계랑 기 카레 세바인.
That's it. Now, if I ask you, Kasang Keranki Karichepain.
오케이. 가상에 곰파 코라바인.
Kasangi Gompala. Gompa
곰팔라. 야, 곰팔라 코라바인.
Kora Gyapain.
얍바인. 야, 얍. I forgot the 얍. Yeah.
That's it. Very good. Yankerinda. Kasang Keranki Karichepain.
가상에 곰팔라 코라 얍바인.
That's it. Kasangi Gompala Kora Gyapain. Tata? Okay, let's read this. Yeah.
타타 계랑 기 카레 체기요.
Tata Keranki Karicheki Tarara.
오케이. 타땅에 계란기.
Mare. Tata Ngi already. You said it.
오케이. 타땅에 어 타땅에
Uh-huh.
타땅에
Any verb. Try.
야야. 타땅에 파스타 사키요.
That's it. Yankerinda. Try again.
타땅에 타땅에
You just said it.
타땅에 파스타 사키요.
That's it. Tatangi pasta saki yu. Tatangi kok tunki yu. Tatangi leka cheki yu. Tatangi buke
차
jongki.
동기요. 야.
Agozunga. Okay, very good. Tene dilorona. Yeah, let's try read this.
상인 계랑 기 카레 제기인.
That's it. Sangi keranki kari cheki in.
오케이. 상이 비싸 사기인.
That's it. Sangin pizza saki in. Or you can say sangin nge pizza saki in. So I want
오케이.
to say this. It's optional whether you
Yeah.
want.
Yes. 상인의 비싸 사기인. 상인의 탭 로키인.
That's it. Or you can get rid of nge and just say sangin tabloki in. Sangin pizza.
Okay, so I don't have to say nge, huh? I can just go with directly with the verb.
Really, that's it.
Okay, yeah. Okay, with the noun, yeah.
But
Okay.
I want us to know full form. Now that we know full form, now I'm describing shortcut.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Shortcut can only happen when you know full cut.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Very good. 빼하고
둘째체.
제 따라라. Okay. 야, 드네 조라인다. 조라. 조라, if I ask you, 가상 계란기 가르쳐 빠인.
Yes. 가상예,
Uh-huh.
tablo 바이어,
빠인. 응?
바인,
That's it.
바인.
가상이 대블록 빠인. That's it.
가상예, tablo 바인.
That's it. 다따 계란기 가르치기.
자다예, 커피 통키유.
That's it. 다땅의 벼익 종기. That's it. 빼요. 성인 계란기 가르치기인.
상, 상년,
Uh-huh.
예, 파스타 사,
Uh-huh.
키유,
기인.
키인,
성인의 파스타 사기인. 봐봐. 응?
파스타 사 키인.
That's it. Very good try. That's it. Good enough. 투지체. So that's it. We did well. So now here I will show you. Mhm. Okay. So right now we only know how to say one verb. 가상의 pasta sapayin. You may have done 2, 3 things, right? Mhm. So I will show you how to connect those sentences. You can use 다댕보테 나사네 테네 가상의 pasta sapayin 테네 Temo tapayin or Netflix tapayin. Tene is after that. Okay? You can connect this sentence. Very common you can use. Tene. Kasange pasta sapayin. Tene Netflix tapayin. Tene leka chepayin. Tene peke jongpayin. Anything you can say.
Kenna, can you write that sentence?
Yes, sir.
And so you say the yin every time, like you say tablook, coffee tong bayin, like you list it every time.
Mm.
Okay.
Because it's past tense. That's why it's payin. Okay? Hmm? Hmm? One minute. Yeah, tini Nurmala in the Nurmala. Nurmala di logrona. Can you read this?
네. 가상의 가락사빠임, 때네 네 꼰빠라 찐빠임.
That's it. Kasange kalaksa payin. Ene. After that, nge gunpala shin payin. That's it. Agosunga. Okay? Chin is went. Agosunga. Kasange 칼락사빠인 대냉이 건빨라 친빠인. That's how you use 대냉. 하고 빼하고 송송 뉴르말라 투지치 봤어. Like this. Okay. 가상이 칼락사빠인 대냉이 건빨라 친빠인. Like that. Or you can just get rid of 니 가상 칼락사빠인 Tene gunpala chinpayin. That's shortcut. Agosuna. Because we know long cut already, now we can get rid of sentence. Last two. That's it. Agosung. Tainda talk some loki in. We will try reading practice. Okay? And you can imitate our friends who can read well. Agosuna. Focus. And whoever is reading, try read it a little bit slower than actual speed so that all of us can hear and imitate. Let's try Nirmala and Nimala. Yeah, in the Nirmala ah yin, Nimala pa yin.
Oh.
It's a conversation between two friends. Okay? That's it. That's it. Nirmala Lorona.
Hello, Rokpo, Kasang, Kirangi, Kapar, Jinpayin.
Tashijile, kasang nye tromla chinpain.
Trom
Are,
market. Tromla chinpa yin. Okay?
Tromla chinpain.
Are, Tromla, Kare, Chepayin.
That's it. Tromla kare chepa yin.
Tel dan nya nyopain.
Nyamare shar bak.
Они... Oh, sorry, sha. Tel dan sha nyopain.
That's it. Tell vegetable thang sha meat. Nyepa yin bought. Tromla kare chepa yin. Tell thang sha nyepa yin. Like this.
Tel dan sha nyopain. Они kasang kirangi kawar chinpain.
Kasang keranki kapar where chinpayin. Agosuna, okay?
Kasang kirangi kawar chinpain.
Fail.
Kasang, Nye, Konpala, Jinpayin. Tene, Shotela, Kora, Gyapayin.
That's it. Kasangi gunpala chinpayin. Tene chetenla stupala kora gyapayin. Like this. Fail.
Але они тата кареджекиyo.
Data, Nye, Kara, Sagiyo. Kirangi, Data, Kare, Chekiyo.
That's it.
Не тата темотаиyo. Пе як поду.
Are, Ani, Sangnin, Nga, Sangnin, Nga, Sho, Sakang, La, Drogi, Himbe.
Maybe B, right?
Very.
Ре, они санин джельон.
That's it. Yeah,
Ре, они санин джельон.
that's it. Fail. Sani nga tsu sakang la doki impe. Sani nga tsu France la doki impe. Sani nga tsu Starbucks la doki impe. Sani nga tsu Gomde la doki impe. Anything. Agosuna, very good. Pe agosung song. Tuji che nyurma tang nima la. Tuji che. Pe agosung song.
Помните,
Shishira.
Lasso. Tene ya. McGregor tang. The in the McGregor than Enclair line the yeah McGregor yin Enclair la pa yin.
Hello, Rokpo, Kasang Kieranki, Kapar, Chinpayin.
That's it. 가상 계란기 가발 친바인. 응?
Trashidelek, Kasang Nye, Trumla,
Uh-huh.
Chinpayin.
That's it. 가상이 마켓라 or 톰라 친바인. That's it.
Ale drumla kare che payin.
That's it.
Tsel tang sha Nyopayin.
That's it. 텔 당 샤 녀바인. vegetable 당 meat 녀바인. 빼요.
Does new mean by?
네네.
Ani Kasang Keranki Kapar
Uh-huh.
Kapar Chinpayin.
That's it. 아니 가상 계란기 가발 친바인. Like this. 빼요.
Kasang nge gumpala chinpayin.
That's it. 가상이 곤팔라 친바인. monastery라 친바인스. 응?
Tene
Uh-huh.
chu chuten.
Huh?
Tene chuten la kora gyapki. Tene chuten la kora gyapkiyin.
이인 말의 past tense로 봐.
Pa. Tene chuten la kora gyappayin.
That's it. 가상이 곤팔라 친바인. 테네 최텐라 꼬라갸바인. That's it.
Ale Ani Tada Kirang Chekiye.
해랑 말에 다다.
Tada Kare Chekiye.
That's it. 다다 가르치기에. That's it.
Tatange kalaksa ki ye.
That's it. 다당이 칼락사기에. That's it.
Keranki tata kareche ki ye.
That's it. 계란기 다다 가르치기에. Like this. 빼요.
Nye Tada Nye Tada
Mhm.
Temota Iye.
That's it. 예 다다 때못다기에 오따이에. That's it.
Taiye. Yeah. Sorry. Pa pe
Uh-huh.
yak pe. Hang on.
That's it. Huh?
So if I read it, it says pe yak po duk.
That's it. 빼야포두. 빼야포두.
I see pe yak po duk.
You are
Hago.
talking about
Pe
the
yak po.
show or movie. 다당에 때못다기에. 빼야포두. 다당에 넷플릭스 다기에. 빼야포두. Anything.
Hago so.
Ale ani sangin ngatsu sakangla troki Yinpei.
That's it. Sangin Atsu or Sangin We. Sakang La Droki Impe. Like this.
Re. Ani. Ani. Songin.
Sangin.
Songin. Jelyong.
That's it. Sangin Jelyong. That's it.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow. Sangin Jelyong.
Sangin Jelyong.
Like this.
Ago.
Yeah. What does Ani mean?
Ani is like and in the beginning of the sentence. Usually we use tang as the and in the middle of the sentence, right? For
Okay.
here, cell tang sha, vegetable and meat,
Yeah.
right? So when you start the sentence with the and, then you should use ani like this.
Okay.
Right? That's the difference.
Thank you.
Yella, what is pe yapoduk?
Yapudu, good. Pe yapudu, very good. Ruba. Right. Okay.
Yeah. To you say.
Hola. Pe yabuloson. Tujiche and Claire Tang. McGregor na. Boom boom. Shakalaka. Lasso. Yeah. Tarala Tang. Nga yin. Nga di yin. Tarala di yin.
Okay.
Hello. Tokpo. 가상 계란기 가발 친바인. 가상 계란기 가발 친바인.
Dashi dile. Kasange tomla chepayin. Chinpayin.
That's very good. 가상에 트롬라 친바인. 알레 트롬라 가레 제바인.
Vale, tomla kare chepayin. Okay. Hill, hang,
셀.
hill, hang, sha, no, payin.
That's it. 셀탕샤 녀바인.
Ani, kerang ki,
그랑킨 가상.
kasang kerang ki, kapal, hinpayin.
That's it. 가상 계란기 가발 친바인. That's it. 가상에 건빨라 친바인. 가상에 건빨라 친바인. 되네 최된라 꼬라잡바인. Right? 되네 스투팔라 최된라 꼬라잡바인.
Ale, ani, kata, kerang, chekiyo.
계랑 there is no 계랑 here.
Kata, kare, chekiyo.
That's it. 다다 가르치기요. 다당이 칼락 사기요. 다당이 피자 사기요. 계란기 다다 가르치기요.
Ale,
Dire,
kata,
this one.
nge, kata, temo, tayi, yo.
That's it. 따이요, 따기요, 직발에.
Peya, podak.
빼야포 독, 닭.
Peya, poduk. Yeah, poduk.
That's it. Ale. 아니, 성인 나츠 사캉라 저기 임베.
Re. Ani. Sangin. Jeljong.
That's it. 잘한다. Very good. Very good try. 투지치. 응?
Have to
라소.
go very slow. Okay.
That's good enough. 응? 라소. 빼하고 송송. 되네야. 되네. 옌홍라당 조라인다. 조라. 디 옌홍인. 디 조라인. 로로낭.
Okay.
Hello, 족보. 카상 케랑기 가발 침바인.
빼하고.
다시 델레. 가상의 좀라
빼하고.
첸바인
가상의 트롬라 친바인. 빼하고.
진바인
알레, 촘라 카레 제바인.
첼당 샤 뇨 바인
That's it. 셀탕 샤뉴바인.
아니 아니 카 카상 케랑키 카파 첸바인
친바인 기구.
진바인
가상
진
카바르 친바인. That's it.
진바인
카상예 꿰발라 침바인. 테네 최텐라 꼬라갸바인.
That's it. 빼하고.
알레 아니 타타 카레 체키유
빼하고.
다다ঙ에 칼라사기외. 케랑기 다다 카레 제기외.
빼하고.
니 타타 테모 타 테모타 예인
이유 or 기유.
이유 베야포둑
That's it. 다땅에 때못다 기유. 빼하고도.
베야포둑
알레, 아니 성인게 나츠 사캉라 주기인베.
That's it. 선인 안수 사캉라 저기 임베.
레 레 아니 상닌 첼류
용.
첼융
야나르요 나 용.
용 첼용
Sangin Jelyong. That's it. Very good reading practice. Today we did. Thank you very much, Chola Yenhungla. Thank you very much. So we did very well reading here. So here the question here, Kasang Keranki Kapar Chin Pa Yin. Instead of Kasang Keranki Kare Sa Pa Yin, instead of Kare, we have used here Kapar. We can ask this. Kasang Keranki Kabar Chin Pa Yin. Now I can ask this question to one by one. You can answer it with two different actions that you did yesterday. It can be followed by each other. Yeah, in the N clear la in the Kasang Keranki Kare Pa Yin. Not let's say Kasang Keranki Kapar Chin Pa Yin.
Kasangye, Kasangye, Tsakang, shop, tsakang,
송캉,
songkang, chipayin,
송캉라,
songkang la chipayin, tene,
빼고.
tene, galaxy, payin.
That's it. 테네 칼락 설바이. Very good. 빼고. That's how you practice. Okay? 빼고 숭숭. 야, 테네 옌홍라인다. 가상 계란기 가바르칭 바인.
가상의 신카, 신카라 친바인.
빼고.
테네, 테네, 신렉 제바인.
That's it. 징칼라 친바인. 팜라 친바인. 테네 싱레 팜웍 제바인. That's it. 빼고. 빼고 숭숭. 옌홍라 빼고 차도. 빼고 숭숭. 그렇지. 그래서 테네 야 맥그레거 라인다. 가상 계란기 가바르친 바인. Mute redo, mute McGregor.
가상의 hao chimpa yin.
You have to say la if it's the direction.
Halla. Yeah, sorry. 가상의 halla chimpa yin.
되네?
Tene chutung payin. Tene chutung payin.
That's it. 빼고, very good. 되네게 추동바인. That's it. 야, 되네 니말라인다. 니말라. 가상 계란기 가바르친 바인.
가상의 린칼라 친파인.
라서.
테네 난라 록파인.
That's it. 가상이 링칼라, 파크라 친바인. 되네 낭라 or 캉발라, 홈라, 록바인, return. right? You don't need to know all this. Just understand the structure of the sentence. That's enough. 빼하고 숭숭 니말라 투지치. 응? 라소 데네야 다랄라인다 다랄라. 다랄라.
라.
가상 계란기 가파르친 바인.
가상의 피사hatla chimpayin, dine supermarketla chimpayin.
That's it. 가상의 피자핫 라친 바인. 데네 슈퍼마켓라 친 바인. Perfecto. 빼하고. 라소.
이조신.
예. 데네야 뉴르말라인다 뉴르말라. 가상 계란기 가파르친 바인.
가상의 롭자라 진바인 때문에 뎁캉라 진바인.
That's it. 가상이 롭달라 스쿨라 친바인. 데네 뎁캉라 북스토어라 친바인. 레베. 응?
네.
빼고 숭숭. 도지치 뉴르말라 빼고 숭숭 뉴르말라기.
이제는
졸라인다 졸라. 졸라 가상 계란기 가파르친 바인.
가상의 Starbucks la chimpayin. Tene home la chimpayin.
That's it. 홈라 낭라 친바인. That's it.
Nang la chimpayin.
That's it. 가상의 스타벅스라 친바인. 데네 낭라 친바인. Very good.
Tene.
Very well. 라소. 빼고도. Then we have some new words here. If you see 뉴바인, 뉴 buying, right? Here. Then we have sell, 당, 샤. vegetable 당 샤 rwa 하고서나 빼고 라슬라슬 not much just this much 빼고 손수 라슬 then I will suggest McGregor la you know everything well you need little bit reading practice 하고서나 obviously all of us need it also 하고서나 rest of us I have already told you where we are where we can improve 하고서나 that's it 빼하고 compared to A1 starting level we are doing very good 하고서나 빼하고 둑 라소 네.
Tenzin,
Yes, please.
am I the only one here in this class today that you don't give private lessons to?
No.
Oh, okay. That is, I misunderstood what you said there.
No. We have
Okay.
in the private lesson we have Tharala and Clairla and Joe because they three are a little bit backward. Sorry, my English is not good. They three are a little bit
Behind.
Behind. Yeah.
behind. No?
Backward means.
I'm a little bit backwards too, but that's
Yeah,
not
we're
like
backwards.
threatened.
Yeah.
Okay, as long as we are backwards and not forwards, okay.
At least
Okay,
we are going in something direction. That's good.
yeah, okay. We are just a little bit behind and slower than others, okay.
That
Well,
doesn't mean we are
maybe
quicker.
we've done less than the others, some of the others. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Mm.
So that's why try to catch up with all of our group. I do this. Rava. If you need it, I will definitely know and I will text you. You don't need it.
Okay, so
You just need locally. Keranki loc. Loc.
yeah.
That's it. Then Yenhongla and Yurmala and Nimala, they already do very good in the class, outside class, homework, and everything. That's why we can see they do well. That's it. It's all about your own thing. That's it. I'm not saying better or worse. Okay, then I cannot say this. Because we don't know. We never finish yet. We are not finished yet. Okay? So that's it. Now I will also suggest today we only learn first person. 가상의 더더더 제빠인 다땅의 더더더 제기여 하고서 되네 상인의 더더더 제기인. Now I will suggest try to talk about third person also in the past tense. 가상 Donald Trump ki press conference chepare like this. I didn't see it with my eyes, but something like general knowledge. For example, 가상 McGregor ki kalak sapares. Like this, okay? So like that, please practice this. In the next class, we will practice these two. And before you jump to these two, first you can make this perfect also. 가상의 pizza 사파인, 가상의 Starbucks la 친파인, 가상의 레카 체파인, 가상의 데블록파인, 가상의 Starbucks la coffee 퉁파인. Like this. Then you can go for other. like this. Okay. So that much. I will stop here. If you have any question, you can ask.
Tenzin-la,
Yes, please.
when is our private class?
Tomorrow. It's tomorrow. Huh?
Tomorrow,
Really?
same time, huh?
Really?
Okay.
I mean,
Yesterday you forgot?
I thought we talked about Thursday.
Huh?
Okay, Thursday good.
Rava.
6:30 or 7:30?
5:30.
Sorry, I'm thinking.
5:30, Rava. No.
5? Huh?
Really.
5:30,
Was 5:30 or 6:30? Was 5:30, right?
5:30 Indian time, huh? Okay.
5:30 Indian time. Okay,
Okay.
good.
Mm.
Hmm?
Okay. All right. See you tomorrow.
All right, see you.
Hmm?
Sangin Jeljong.
Sunny Jayong, Lasso, Tujiche. That's it for today.
Okay.
I will send
Thank
this
you.
text in the
Okay.
chat.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, please.
You can copy it, print it, whatever you want to do.
No printer here. I write down everything. Yes.
Lasso, Tujiche, Tashi,
We
Delek.
can read it and post in our WhatsApp group.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Good night, everybody. Sawadika.
Lasso,
Tujiche.
Thanks, everyone.
Again, la.
Nice to meet you.
Tujiche.
You do it.